came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
All right. शहजाद पूनावाला रेजिंग हिज हैंड एंड शहजाद पूनावाला, क्या कर रहे हो भाई? आप राफेल छोड़ रहे हो इनके ऊपर, आपके साथ इलेक्शन कमीशन, सेंट्रल पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस, ईडी, सीबीआई, सब कुछ, everything is with you and Trinamool Congress is still winning the elections, they say.
Navika, today I don't have the pleasure of being with you in the studio, so at least let me begin by saying that democracy पे से टेप उड़ गया है. Today democracy पे जो टेप लगाने की कोशिश की गई थी ना बंगाल में, वो टेप उड़ गई है. And whatever be our political persuasion leanings, the fact that in 49 years, first time Bengal has seen the least amount of violence, and in 2 phases the elections have been done where 7-8 phases were required, and where lakhs of people had to be deployed first and hundreds of people used to be killed. Today we have had less than 5 killings. I think one should also not be killed, but we have had a perfect election where the voter turnout. So I want to give an applause to the central forces, to our men and women in uniform, and to the election commission, the constitutional body. And with that, let me start my first few statements. Navika, see, today BJP का नाम थोड़ा change कर दीजिए. It is of course Bharatiya Janata Party, but I think after the exit polls, especially JVC exit poll, I will call it Bengali Janta Ki Pasand. Today BJP has become Bengali Janta Ki Pehli Pasand. And Navika, one more thing I will say, because we are talking over the overall picture, because we see the entire picture of the nation. When we started this election, we were having 1 state out of 5 elections. Now we are having comfortably 3 or 4. I think it would be called GRWM. You know, there's a trend on Insta called GRWM. So let me explain what is GRWM in political terms. Growth in Kerala, return in Tamil Nadu, Vapsi in Puducherry, and mega victory in Assam and in Bengal. This is BJP's GRWM. And finally, I would say, Navika, that dekhe, ek hamara dost hai in Nicobar. Left is having Chocobar. And Mamta Didi is going Bahar. So this is Nicobar, Chocobar, and going Bahar. ये आज का, by the way, I'm applauding you for calling Fuad Aleem. ये कहीं के नहीं रहे, पर Times Now studio में उनकी जगह सुरक्षित है. I thank you for that.
Well, Riju Datta will not allow anyone to speak.
No. Everybody can speak, but to my dear friend Shehzad, मैं ठीक है, चलो पहली बार मैंने उनके मालिक का नाम ले लिया तो सबको मिर्ची लग गई. चलो नरेंद्र मोदी जी को साइड रखते हैं. Let's have a one-on-one with my dear friend Shehzad. If BJP wins Bengal, I will not come on TV, and if BJP does not cross 100, Shehzad will not come on TV. चलो इतना तो बोल दो.
आपने पहले ही कह दिया है कि if the BJP wins, you will not come. Don't be a bad loser, Riju Datta. Whatever happens, you must come.
Accept it.
You must come.
अरे जब इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस है तो चैलेंज लेना चाहिए. हाँ ठीक है, नहीं आएंगे, चलो
शहजाद
चैलेंज तो ले लो यार.
शहजाद,
असल में बात ये है ना, बिफोर शहजाद comes in, these exit polls are very important because if Trinamool would have been leading in every
Navika, मुझे जवाब देने का अवसर भी दीजिए.
Let me just finish, you come in. Let me just finish 10 seconds. No, I'm finishing and then you come in.
खत्म कर दिया, अब खत्म हो गए.
10 seconds. Thank you, Shehzad, for 10 seconds. Yes, thank you for 10 seconds. This exit poll trends is necessary for the BJP. You know why? Because if all this trend would have shown that Trinamool is winning with a huge mandate, BJP wouldn't have found counting agents come 4th of May. So I thank the exit polls for giving BJP counting
Riju
agents.
Datta, now that is definitely not called overconfidence. That is called being realistic. What Shehzad is saying is overconfidence. Shehzad.
नाविका जी, रिजू दत्ता की हर चैलेंज को मैं स्वीकार करने को तैयार हूं, but only one condition. That on the 4th of May, when we win the elections, Riju Datta and his alliance won't crib that election commission I made us win. First, he give us the guarantee in writing.
Guarantee.
Give it to Navika and
okay,
you will not
guarantees have come in. Let me, 1 minute. Guarantees have come in. The elections are over. The votes are sealed. And now both of you can stop fighting with each other and take a deep breath.